Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Transfer Family web apps are now available in AWS GovCloud regions, providing a secure and compliant way to access data in Amazon S3. This release enables organizations with U.S. federal, state, and local government compliance requirements to host sensitive data and regulated workloads in the cloud. By creating a Transfer Family web app in an AWS GovCloud region, users can establish a Federal Information Processing Standards 140-3 compliant endpoint, meeting critical security and compliance needs. This feature provides organizations with a fully managed, branded, and secure portal for end users to browse, upload, and download data in S3. The availability of AWS Transfer Family web apps in AWS GovCloud regions offers organizations the flexibility to deploy sensitive workloads in a cloud environment that meets rigorous security and compliance standards. Amazon Bedrock Custom Model Import is now available in the Europe region. This enables customers to import their customized models alongside existing foundation models via a single, unified API. Customers can access their imported custom models in an on-demand, serverless manner without having to manage the underlying instances. Amazon QuickSight has launched support for threshold alerts and scheduling in embedded dashboards for registered users. This feature enables users to define data thresholds and receive email notifications when their data exceeds them. Users can view and manage these alerts at any time within the embedded dashboard. QuickSight admins can customize how alert emails are notified, tailoring their appearance and behavior. They can personalize the sender display name, logo, and footer in the email, as well as specify where the dashboard opens when recipients click on it. Additionally, they can replace the custom email address with a user-friendly name. Registered users viewing embedded QuickSight dashboards can now subscribe to schedules for dashboard email reports and pixel-perfect reports. They can create up to 5 schedules per dashboard for themselves, allowing them to create their preferred view of pixel-perfect reports and send them as scheduled reports. This empowers each user to take control of the data they receive. Users can also view previously generated snapshots when viewing embedded QuickSight dashboards. Amazon Q Developer is now generally available in Amazon OpenSearch Service, providing a set of AI-assisted features that expedite operational analytics and investigation processes. This release introduces visualization generation using natural language, allowing teams to transform their natural language inputs into visualizations. This feature enables users to analyze data more efficiently by reducing the time needed to create visualizations. The release also includes intelligent alert summarization with one-step data exploration, providing instant insights from alerts and query results. This feature helps users gain a deeper understanding of their data without having to manually explore each result. Additionally, Amazon Q Developer now offers query results summary in the Discover page, streamlining the process of reviewing and analyzing search results. This feature saves time by providing a concise overview of the most relevant information. The release also includes recommended anomaly detectors, which help users streamline the creation of custom anomaly detectors through personalized recommendations. This feature enables teams to detect anomalies more efficiently, improving their ability to respond to unusual patterns in their data. Finally, Amazon Q Developer features a dedicated chat interface for OpenSearch-related questions, providing users with quick access to answers and support when working with OpenSearch service. AWS Elastic Beanstalk now supports retrieving secrets and configuration from AWS Secrets Manager and AWS Systems Manager. This integration enables developers to access data stored in these services directly within their application. AWS Elastic Beanstalk customers can reference information stored in Secrets Manager and Parameter Store from their application using Amazon resource names. This eliminates the need for application redeployment when configuration values change, simplifying operations and enhancing security. This feature is available in all commercial AWS regions where Elastic Beanstalk is available, including the AWS GovCloud regions. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL now supports modifying the SSL_ciphers parameter, allowing users to select cipher suites from the Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL allow list. This feature enables organizations to align their database deployments with their security standards and maintain consistent security configurations across environments. By supporting configurable cipher suites, Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL makes it easier to set up, operate, and scale PostgreSQL deployments in the cloud. AWS Resource Access Manager now supports Internet Protocol version 6. This support enables customers to use IPv6 addresses when creating and managing RAM resource shares within their accounts. Existing RAM endpoints supporting IPv4 will remain available for backwards compatibility. However, the new dual-stack domains are also available, allowing customers to access RAM resources using either IPv4 or IPv6 addresses. The dual-stack domains can be accessed from both the Internet and Amazon Virtual Private Cloud using AWS Private Link. This provides flexibility and convenience for customers managing their RAM resource shares. It is essential to note that best practices for configuring IPv6 in your environment are available in a white paper on IPv6 in AWS, which customers should consult for guidance. The support for IPv6 on AWS RAM is currently available in the commercial regions, GovCloud regions, and China regions. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now supports conversational analytics in 34 new languages, including Afrikaans, Arabic, Bengali, Bosnian, Bulgarian, Chinese, Croatian, Czech, Estonian, Farsi, Galician, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Kannada, Latvian, Lithuanian, Macedonian, Malayalam, Marathi, Romanian, Russian, Serbian, Sinhala, Slovak, Slovenian, Somali, Sundanese, Telugu, Thai, Turkish, Ukrainian, Vietnamese, and Zulu. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service has introduced a new catalog of community add-ons, enabling users to easily find, select, configure, and manage popular open-source Kubernetes add-ons directly through EKS. This new feature allows users to view available add-ons, compatible versions, configuration options, and install and manage them directly through the EKS console, API, CLI, XML, or IAC tools like AWS CloudFormation. The catalog of community add-ons includes Metric Server, Kubestate Metrics, Cert Manager, Prometheus Node Exporter, and External DNS. Each add-on has been packaged, scanned, and validated for compatibility by EKS, with container images securely hosted in an EKS-owned private Amazon Elastic Container Registry repository. This feature is available in all AWS commercial regions, providing a unified management experience for AWS, AWS Marketplace, and community add-ons. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now provides AI-powered contact summarization in 2 additional regions, allowing for the generation of succinct, coherent, and context-rich summaries of long customer conversations. This feature enables agents to focus on customer interactions without the need to manually take after-call notes. As a result, supervisors can gain faster insights when reviewing contacts, saving time on quality and compliance reviews, and identifying opportunities to improve agent performance more quickly. This AI-powered summarization is supported in English language and available in Europe and Asia-Pacific regions. AWS has introduced multi-factor authentication for card registration in Japan to enhance payment security. This additional layer of security will be required when registering new cards at sign-up or through the AWS Billing and Cost Management Console. The MFA process utilizes 3D Secure technology, a global standard for card payment security, to ensure safe and secure card registration for customers. When adding or updating a card in their AWS account, users will be automatically redirected to their card issuer's authentication page to complete the MFA process. This enhancement applies to both new customer signups and existing customers adding new cards through the AWS Billing and Cost Management Console. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now allows organizations to enable or disable sentiment analysis. This feature provides control over sentiment analysis, particularly for those needing to meet compliance obligations. By enabling or disabling sentiment analysis, organizations can tailor their analytics to specific use cases. For instance, sentiment analysis can be enabled to track customer brand perception and disabled for contacts coming to an internal company complaints line. Amazon Connect Contact Lens now offers AI-powered semantic contact categorization in 2 additional regions. This feature enables managers to easily identify top drivers, customer experience, and agent behavior for their contacts. By using natural language instructions, users can define a criteria to automatically categorize customer contacts. With this feature, Contact Lens automatically labels interactions matching the defined criteria and extracts relevant conversation points. Managers can also receive alerts and generate tasks on categorized contacts, making it easier to prioritize important interactions. The semantic contact categorization feature is particularly useful for identifying trends and patterns in customer behavior, such as interest in specific products or levels of satisfaction. Additionally, managers can use this feature to monitor agent performance and ensure that they are exhibiting professional behavior during calls. This feature is available at no additional cost within the Contact Lens conversational analytics pricing, and is supported in English language. The 2 new regions where this feature is now available are Europe and Asia Pacific. Here is the focused output. AWS IoT Device SDK for Swift is now available as a developer preview, enabling developers to build Internet of Things applications that run on Linux, macOS, iOS, and tvOS platforms. This SDK provides an idiomatic interface for iOS mobile developers to build their applications in the modern Swift language and connect to AWS IoT services through MQTT protocol. With this developer preview, developers can leverage native Swift integration and MQTT version 5 advanced features to improve error handling, client load balancing, and fault tolerance with shared subscription, as well as customization through user properties. The SDK also provides secure certificate-based authentication and supports multiple connection methods, including X.509 certificates, custom authentication, and MQTT over WebSockets connections. To get started, see the list of resources, specifically the AWS IoT Swift SDK MQTT 5 User Guide. Amazon Keyspaces supports multi-region replication in the Africa region, enabling customers to replicate their data to and from the Cape Town region. This expansion allows for lower latency access for local users while maintaining a consistent view of data across their global infrastructure. With this feature, customers can configure their tables to replicate data between Cape Town and any other AWS region where Amazon Keyspaces is available. This helps meet data residency requirements and improves application performance by automatically replicating data across multiple regions. Notably, multi-region replication in the Africa region is available at no additional cost, with customers only paying for the resources they use, including data transfer between regions and storage in each region. Amazon S3 tables are now available in the AWS Middle East region, enabling customers to store tabular data at scale in this region. This expansion allows for the management of large datasets specifically optimized for analytics workloads. The availability of S3 tables in the AWS Middle East region enables seamless integration with other AWS analytics services through the integration with Amazon SageMaker Lakehouse, as well as Apache Iceberg-compatible open-source engines like Apache Spark and Apache Flink. This integration facilitates efficient query performance and transaction processing for customers' data analysis needs. S3 tables perform continual table maintenance to automatically expire old snapshots and related data files, reducing storage costs over time. This feature helps customers optimize their storage utilization and reduce expenses. The S3 pricing page provides more information on the pricing details for Amazon S3 tables in the AWS Middle East region. Customers can visit the product page and documentation to learn more about this offering and its capabilities. AWS has announced the opening of a new AWS Direct Connect location within the Digital Realty ADH1 data center near Athens, Greece. This new location enables private, direct access to all public AWS regions, AWS GovCloud regions, and AWS local zones. By connecting your network to AWS at this location, you can establish dedicated connections with speeds of 10 gigabits per second or 100 gigabits per second, and also take advantage of MASEC encryption for added security. Amazon EC2 R8G instances are now available in AWS GovCloud region. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 4 processors and offer up to 30% better performance compared to AWS Graviton 3-based instances. These instances are ideal for memory-intensive workloads such as databases, in-memory caches, and real-time big data analytics. They are built on the AWS Nitro system, which offloads CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software to enhance the performance and security of your workloads. Amazon EC2 8G instances deliver up to 3 times more vCPU and memory than Graviton 3-based 7G instances. They are up to 30% faster for web applications, 40% faster for databases, and 45% faster for large Java applications compared to AWS Graviton 3-based 7G instances. Our 8G instances are available in 12 different instance sizes, including 2 bare metal sizes. They offer up to 50 gigabits per second enhanced networking bandwidth and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. AWS Outposts now support self-service capacity management that can be defined specifically for each individual asset, allowing customers to customize the allocation of capacity on outposts at a more granular level. This capability enables customers to view and modify the configuration of EC2 instances on each outpost rack or server when they place an outpost order. For instance, customers can define the configuration of EC2 instances on each outpost rack or server during the ordering process. Customers can then utilize capacity management to view these EC2 instances on their outposts, their configured sizes, and their placement within the outpost. This level of control allows customers to fine-tune their application needs as their businesses scale. Capacity management is available in all AWS regions where outposts are supported. For more information about the supported regions, customers can check out the Outposts Rack FAQs page and the Outpost Servers FAQs page. To learn more about these new capacity management capabilities for outposts, customers can refer to the Outposts user guide. AWS Glue supports version control in AWS GovCloud regions. This feature allows customers to use GitHub and AWS CodeCommit to maintain a history of changes to their AWS Glue jobs and apply their existing DevOps practices to deploy them. This support for version control enables customers to manage the evolution of their AWS Glue jobs, track changes, and collaborate more effectively with team members. It also simplifies job deployment by automating the process of moving jobs from development environments to production environments. AWS Glue in AWS GovCloud regions also supports custom visual transforms, which allow data engineers to write reusable transforms for use in AWS Glue Studio's visual editor. These custom transforms increase consistency between teams and help keep jobs up to date by minimizing duplicate effort and code. With this feature, customers can create and share reusable transforms, reducing the complexity of data processing workflows and improving overall efficiency. This capability is available in all AWS GovCloud regions where AWS Glue is supported. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.